Hello, welcome to the Billionaire Journey Podcast. My name is Shola Matthew, and I'm so excited because today is the 58th episode of the Billionaire Journey Podcast. I think the drum should roll. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. I really, really do appreciate. Today I want to talk about Fiverr. That is how to make money with Fiverr. All right. And if you haven't seen the video on, Fiverr masterclass that I held, you can go to our YouTube channel. Just search for Shola Matthew. Shola Matthew is spelled as SOLAMATHEW. Again, SALAMATHEW. So if you search for Shola Matthew plus Fiverr, you're gonna see that video pop up on your YouTube, and then you can watch it. But let's quickly talk about how to make money on Fiverr. In case you don't know what Fiverr is an online platform that allows freelancers to offer their services to clients around the world. So you could be in the UK, just like I am right now, and offer services to people in the US. This is something that I've also done. So it's a great way for people with a variety of skills to earn money on their own terms, actually. You could decide to say, oh, I want to offer a gig now. The services that we provide on Fiverr is called gig. So you can say, I want to offer a gig now, and then decide to maybe when you have a lot of people who are patronizing you, if you're the only one on your team, you could just pause the gig for a certain period of time. Or let's say you want to go on a holiday, you could as well pause your gig or put it as out of the office for a lot of period of time until when you are back. And you can work anywhere in the world, right? It's more like working from home or from a coffee shop. So the first thing that you need to do is to determine your skills and services first. Think about the skills and services you have to offer. Okay. This could be anything from graphic design to content writing to video editing. So there are some people who might say, oh, but I don't even have any skill. See, even if you don't have any skill, right? All you need to do is to go onto YouTube and learn a skill and then offer it, because there's no way you could make money online without selling something. So it's either you sell your skill, or you sell a product, or you sell a service. All right. So in the video that I mentioned earlier on, I actually talked about how you can even make money without a skill in quote. So let's say, for instance, that you don't have a skill. You could offer something like we call background remover, and you just need a website like remove.bg or Canva, to remove background for people, and that is something that you will offer on Fiverr and make a lot of money. Okay, so consider what you are most knowledgeable and experienced in, as well as what clients may be looking for. So it's not enough for you to be knowledgeable in something. Clients or customers must be looking for those things. Basically, what I mean is they must be in demand. So the next thing you want to do is to create a Fiverr account. So you sign up for a Fiverr account and create a profile that showcases your skills and experience. Okay, so be sure to include a clear and concise bio, as well as any relevant samples of your work that you might have. All right, so basically it's important that your profile is attractive. All right, make sure that it's if you listen to our previous episode of the Billionaire Journey Podcast, I think the third episode before this, you see where we talked about how to increase your credibility. By increasing your credibility, you should ensure that you show credibility. One of the ways to increase your credibility is to show certifications and relevant skills and all of that on your profile. So the third thing that you need to do, is to set up your gig. Once you have a clear idea of what you want to offer, just create a gig, right? So gig on Fiverr is the product or service that you're offering. I mentioned that earlier. And this is essentially a listing of, your service, including a description of what you offer, the price, and any additional information or requirement. So after you set up your gig, you might want to promote your gig, because you see, Fiverr is a very, very competitive marketplace. So it's important to promote your gig to get noticed. You could do this by sharing it on social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter, or LinkedIn. And sometimes you could also consider sharing or offering discounts or special deals to attract clients, to your account. So, as you get more reviews on Fiverr, it gets Fiverr recommends you more to people who are searching for services related to yours. So the last but not the least is deliver a high quality work. Once you get orders, right, it's important that you deliver high quality work to your clients. This will help you to build a good reputation on Fiverr. So far on Fiverr, my profile has 5-star review ratings. This could lead to more orders and higher earnings. Okay, so when you're done with your work and your client is satisfied, what you want to do is you tell the client, oh, please kindly leave a review for me. I would really appreciate if I satisfy you. And so if the customer is not happy, you can always ask before you let the customer go that, are you happy with my work? If the customer say, yes, I'm happy, then this is the time to ask for the review. The customer say, I'm not happy. You can ask, how can I make you happy? Because I want to really satisfy you. You don't need to say because of review, but when you do this, you satisfy your customer, and the customer is very, very happy about your job. The customer will be happy to leave a 5-star review. So by following these steps, you can make money on Fiverr. One, by offering your skills and services to clients around the world. Just ensure that you determine your skills and services, create a Fiverr account, set up your gig, promote your gig, and deliver a high quality work. Just be sure to put in the time and effort to promote your gig and deliver high quality work, and you can build a successful freelance career or business on the Fiverr platform. I hope this is very helpful. If you want to learn more, just go and search for that video. Search for Shola Matthew at Shola Matthew plus Fiverr masterclass. If you want, you can put a masterclass at the back and you're going to watch that video. Thank you so much for listening to the Billionaire Journey Podcast, and for always tuning in. And please, if this podcast that helped you in any way, this is the 58th episode. Please kindly share this with your friends. All right, share on your social media platform. Just click on the share button and share with your friends, and let them know that this podcast can be a blessing to them. All right, thank you so much for listening to today's episode of the Billionaire Journey Podcast. I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. Before we go, PS, right? Ensure you go to thebillionairejourney.com and subscribe to our newsletter. All right, and we'll be sharing more information about who can become a guest on this podcast. If you want to become a guest, by the time we get to 100 episodes, we'll probably be taking guests at a time. So ensure you join our newsletter so that you'll be the first to know about it. But if you think that you want to be on the waiting list, just send us an email at podcast@thebillionairejourney.com, and we'll be happy to reply you. Take care and have a beautiful time. Bye.